Hi, we're going to use the BA2 Plus calculator to compute some dates. We're going to start with an example. An invoice dated June 1st, 2010 is due in 45 days. Find the due date. Let's highlight that. Okay, so first thing we start by going second and then the date. Date is on top of 1. We're going to put in the date 6.0110. I'm going to write this down. So 6 stands for June, which is the 6th month. June 1st, note that we have to put a 0 there if it is 1 digit long, and this is the last 2 digits of 2010. Okay, so to put that in, we go 6.0110, and then we have to press enter to store it. Now I want to know 45 days later. I'm going to scroll down to DBD. DBD is days between dates. So the days between dates here is going to be 45. Enter. Now let's go and back up to date 2, and all I have to do is press compute to find out that it was Friday, July 16th, 2010. Let's do another one. Let's figure out how old a person might be in days. So let's say, go back up to date 1. Let's say someone was born on September 15th, 1990. In that case, their date would be 09, or just 9 for September, 1590. So I'm going to go 9.1590, enter. And today's date, I'm going to go down. Today's date is actually May, which is 5, dot the 17th, 2020. Press enter. When I scroll down to days between days, all I have to do is press compute to find out that it's 10,837 days. Finally, what day of the week was I born, or a fictional person? Scrolling back up to date 1, we can find this very easy. Once we have 3 things in here, we can just compute the other one, and it tells us that September 15th, 1990 was actually a Saturday. Finally, let's look at the last item, DBD down to ACT. And if we go one more, we're back to date 1. ACT stands for actual. That's a 365 days plus leap year every so often, every 4 years. The other calendar we can do is 360. That's going to be a calendar that has 12 months of 30 days each, or 360 days. We don't use this one because the Earth takes 365 and a bit days to revolve around the sun, even though 360 would be easier math. So we keep that at ACT. I'm just going to write 360. That's a fictional calendar. And that is all.